Nabil. The basketball client that I just have made him a homepage because currently the links to his programs, they are separate and they go to different sales pages. So to have everything in one place. So I would like you to have a look at the site and the structure and also the
Sure.
copy. Okay, I'll send you the link.
All right. So what did you build this on? You built this on a free System account?
He has a paid subscription with System.
Okay. What are you using this homepage for? Is it just a link tree kind of setup?
You could say that, yes.
Okay. If that's the case, what I would do is instead of linking to a homepage, I would create a links page. I would create a links page for social and then just have links to his programs and then have this homepage a little bit separate. Yes, have a homepage, but from social, what you will do is you'll create your own link tree kind of page that is for social only. And then if you can, I don't know if this is possible with his paid account on System, you want to get rid of this System badge. The other thing is you can see on the screen right now how the page is extending end to end. So you have to follow some sort of basic web design layout principles. And one is you want your main content to be out in a way where I can skim it by just doing this. Yeah. The problem right here now is I have to actually move my head in order to read the entire thing, and that's difficult to do. It's difficult on the eyes. And so all you have to do here is in the container that contains this text, you center it and make it 600 to 800 pixels wide. And so it'll be basically, if I draw, it'll look like this. I don't know if you can see this screenshot tool. It'll be contained in a box that's basically a rectangle under the headline. This image, it serves no purpose here. I would replace it with some kind of logo. You can even put a really simple Chris Gatlin, just Chris Gatlin's name in a nice sort of font, like a signature kind of font, and put it in the logo section. The image doesn't do any kind of persuasion whatsoever. All it does is show that this guy is involved in basketball somewhat. What it should show is maybe him training people on basketball stuff, or him playing basketball, or yeah, him training people or him playing basketball. This is just a guy trying to look cool, crouching over a basketball. It adds nothing to the persuasion on the page. Again, same thing with the images here. There's what you should do is add some kind of copy that describes the products. You can have the image here, but I would put it like in a 2-column sort of section, center it vertically, because you have to think about how people are reading. Most people will be reading on their phones, okay? And on their phones, all of this column shit doesn't matter, right? If you think about a younger audience, like they're almost never going to be on a computer, if that's what his audience is mostly. And so it makes more sense to just have top-down, vertical kind of layout. So what you will have is here, you will have a 2-column section, image on the left side or on the right side, doesn't really make a difference. Subheadline, a little bit of body copy, and call to action button or a link. The email opt-in, I would probably put this above the fold as like an immediate kind of call out in the hero section, where you would make this direct response thing. You would have some sort of direct response headline, sign up for my email, and some body copy saying sign up for my email list, and I'll send you access to whatever this is. I'll send you access to a free full body workout to get in shape for basketball, plus some additional resources. And then a call to action. You can do a button which pops up the opt-in form. And the headline is direct. This is good. It says exactly what the website is about. You can add a little bit more direct response, benefit focused, so basically make it longer and more descriptive. This is fine for sort of SEO purposes. And just as a general direct headline, this is way better than like a cute kind of headline. but you want to make it a little bit more direct response. I'll show you a recent website that we relaunched. Now you don't have to do it this fancy because like this client had a designer helping him out. So whatever copy I wrote and the design that I had in my head, I could make it come to life with a designer. You don't have to do this, but you just want to look at the basic structure of the website. So you have the hero section with a main call to action. You have a long form, a long headline, a direct response headline. Okay. You have a hero video. This is optional, but it would be good where you've got, what's his name? Chris talking. And the cover image looks very pretty, but really all it is basically a Vimeo of him with doing a screen recording, right? And you can get that cover image designed by somebody on Fiverr just to make it look nice. And then you've got the CTA. Now you can have it all vertically. It's vertically, the layout is vertical here where it's headline, VSL, and call to action, and then a testimony under. But also you can do it two column where you'll have the headline, a little bit of body copy, and the call to action on the left side of the column, and then the video slash VSL type thing on the right side of the column. Either way is fine. And here is where you'll add sort of your copy from Chris. And you can see how it's the same as yours basically, but I've just laid it out in a way that it makes it much easier to read. And then you want to include results, some other proof elements, and then you can talk about programs. Here you can talk about the process. What is Chris's progress for getting people in shape and playing better basketball? And then you have a final call to action. And the framework I use for all of my website pages, all home pages is this. It's a Copy Hackers article. Literally, it's like free article. I use it for literally every single website project. I've used it for years now, and it tells you exactly what message goes where on your homepage. And then so you'll have your homepage, and you'll have your link tree kind of system page, which is like a landing page with links to all the products. And that is for people to get easy access to your programs who are ready to buy from social. And then also the second most visited page on the website is the About page. Yes. And this is the framework I use for all About pages. I'll drop this in the chat as well. It's an article on copywritingcourse.com from years and years ago. Like both of these articles I shared with you are years and years old. And it shows you how to write an About page. Most people make the mistake of writing the About page as they think it's about me, so as in about Chris, but really it's about the customer. So the About page, the focus of the About page should be on the customer. So homepage, About page, your makeshift link tree page, the landing page with links to multiple products. And then you want to create individual landing pages for each of your programs, which you've already done. And yeah, that's basically it.